In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create one-word captions in CapCut quickly and easily. This is a great technique if you want your captions to feel more dynamic, more engaging, and a lot easier to follow, especially for short-form content like Reels, Shorts, and TikToks. One-word captions can give your videos a more modern, high-energy style, and the best part is that CapCut makes this process surprisingly simple. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials just like this. Now let's jump straight into it. First, open your project in CapCut and make sure your video is already on the timeline. Once your clip is ready, go to the top menu and click on Text. From there, choose Auto Captions. This is where CapCut can automatically generate captions from the audio in your video. Next, select the language that matches your audio. If your video is spoken in English, choose English. If it's another language, make sure you pick the correct one so CapCut can generate accurate captions. After that, click Create and let CapCut process the audio. Once the captions are generated, you'll see them appear on your timeline. At this stage, don't worry about the line length or how the captions are broken up. That is the key part of this method. The animation we're going to use will take care of the segmentation and help each caption appear in a more one-word style. Now comes the important part. Click on the caption track in the timeline so that all of the caption clips are selected. You want the full caption layer active because the effect needs to apply across everything at once. This makes the process much faster than editing every caption individually. After selecting the caption track, go over to the right side panel. Here, find Animation, then open the Captions tab. Inside this section, you'll see a list of effects you can apply to your captions. The effect we want is Bounce Out. Select Bounce Out and CapCut will apply that animation style to your captions. This is what helps create that clean one-word caption look. Instead of long blocks of text sitting on the screen, the animation gives each word a more animated, punchy feel that matches fast-paced content really well. It's a simple trick, but it can make a huge difference in how professional your video looks. If you want, you can also customize the captions even further. With all of your captions still selected, go to Text and then Basic. Here, you can change the font, adjust the size, and choose a color that fits your brand or video style. You can make the captions bold and bright for a high energy look, or keep them minimal and clean for a more polished aesthetic. The great thing about this method is that the bounce out effect keeps the one-word timing intact while still letting you style the captions however you want. So you get the best of both worlds, strong visual impact and easy readability. Once you're happy with the look, play back your video and check the timing. Make sure the captions are syncing well with the audio and that the one-word style feels natural with your content. If needed, you can make small adjustments to font size, color, or placement until everything looks perfect, and that's it. Now you know how to create one-word captions in CapCut using auto captions and the bounce out effect. It's a fast, beginner-friendly method that can instantly improve your edits and make your content feel more engaging. If this tutorial helped you, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut editing tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.